Hello, in this video I want to show you how to restore factory settings on your Zyxel router. And to do this you will need to look on the other side of the router, on the back side. Now take something like a needle to open a SIM card slot in your phone, and here you can find the reset button. Now press it with that needle and hold it for about 20 seconds. Let go of the button. Now place your router on a surface and it should perform the factory reset. The power LED on it right here should be blinking and it will restart. Keep in mind that doing this removes all the data and all the settings you've changed on it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.